Hi, I'm Dina, and welcome to my second video blog. Today I'll be testing out two different rice pudding recipes. So there are two different kinds of rice pudding. One is the more Mexican style that you boil in milk on the stove, and the other type is an old-fashioned custard style. So I'm going to be doing both types of recipes, and our tasters at the end will be able to give us their ideas of which style they like the best. So let's go check out what ingredients we're going to need for the first recipe. The first one is baked rice pudding by TasteBetterFromScratch.com. So in this recipe, one thing that is unique is that you will need two baking pans, one to put your rice pudding mixture in and one for it to sit in a water bath, and that helps with the custard. Also, both recipes are meant to be used with cooked rice. So I've got my cooked rice, and this was leftover rice from Chinese takeout, so it's always a great way to use up some rice. And this recipe also is going to have eggs, which the other one does not. So we're going to go ahead and get cooking. Okay, I've got my greased dish here, and I did use butter to grease my dish. And you'll notice that the consistency is quite runny. And this recipe also calls for raisins as an optional add. My tasters don't like raisins, so I didn't put them in. But that is something that you can do. You would put that in just before baking. So you can see how runny it really is. Okay, and then we're going to get our second pan, and this is for that water bath. And the recipe calls for about 2 inches of water. And then we're gonna put our dish right in there okay, so this is what it's gonna look like when it's ready to bake. See you when it's done. Okay, we're ready to try our second rice pudding recipe. This is called Easy 20-Minute Arroz con Leche, and it's from thekitchen.com, and kitchen is spelled K-I-T-C-H-N. It's one of my favorite websites for recipes. All right, let's check out the ingredients. So a lot are the same, except that this is going to have sweetened condensed milk. And remember that this is on the stove, so we're gonna get our big stock pot. So we're all ready to put this on the stove. So you can see the consistency here is also very loose. And the only ingredient we didn't use yet is the vanilla. That will go in at the end. So this recipe says it should only take about 15 minutes once it comes to a low boil. So we'll see if that holds true. Okay, we're ready to do our taste test. So, Colin, which one will you try first? In the blue dish or the white dish?
This
In the blue. Okay, so
Blue dish first. All right, let's give it a shot. So this is rice pudding A.
Tell us what you think about it, Colin.
delicious.
Delicious.
Mm.
All right.
That is good. Good notes of cinnamon. I'm gonna say this. I can definitely tell this. Can you taste the cinnamon, Colin? What do you think?
Good.
Okay.
Good.
So now, Colin, try the other one.
I just want one more.
Okay.
Another bite. We had to have one more
Yeah.
bite. All right. Okay. Let's go to rice pudding B.
Okay. Now you're in the white container. Colin, what do you think?
I love it.
Ooh.
I love egg.
Which do you taste like egg? Do you?
Oh no. The smell is gross, but the taste is very good.
So this
Okay.
the nose feel is not good for you.
Yeah, I just need water.
Okay.
Well, which one do you like the best?
This one.
Okay.
I see. I'm gonna have to go opposite of Colin on this. I'm gonna say that rice pudding B is far superior.
Did you taste it?
I did. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely smoother, more custardy.
Yep.
So yeah, I definitely think rice pudding B is a lot better.
Okay, so rice pudding B was the first recipe we tried, which was the old-fashioned custard style. Thanks for checking us out, and the links will be in the description.
And remember to like and subscribe.